Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know creatine is fake or real, which is better. Start by checking the label for ingredient purity and third-party testing claims and verify a batch number. Smell and feel the powder for odd odors or clumps that suggest contamination. Compare brand reputation and lab results when available, and always buy from trusted retailers to reduce risk of counterfeit products. When evaluating labels, prioritize creatine monohydrate with clear ingredient lists and no hidden additives. Check for recognizable third-party testing seals and cross-reference the lab if possible. Missing batch numbers, fuzzy manufacturing details, or vague potency claims are red flags that suggest counterfeit or low-quality supplements. If the label raises doubts, reach out to the brand or skip the purchase to protect your health and wallet. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for gym days and long runs, and they pair nicely with your supplement routine. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a pair if you want a small upgrade. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the powder to spot physical red flags like strong chemical smells, large clumps, or discoloration that differ from a neutral, fine powder. Dissolve a small pinch in water to observe solubility and any odd residue, which may indicate impurities or fillers. Compare texture and behavior to a known authentic product if possible. These simple tests can quickly help you distinguish likely genuine creatine from suspicious samples before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.